Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own homemade plantain chips, and it is very simple guys. It's very simple. So you're going to be using unripe plantain and you're going to be slicing it thinly, like very thin. So the next thing you want to do is you want to add some water to your sliced plantain, and I'm going to be adding my salt. This is optional, you can choose to leave it just plain. So I'm going to be leaving this to sit for like 3 to 5 minutes because I want it to be very crispy. This is what you do when you want your plantain chips to be crispy, and also for the plantain to absorb the salt as well. So after about 5 minutes, I'm going to be transferring my plantain to a tissue paper to absorb the water. Then I'm going to allow it to dry for a bit. Then I'm going to be transferring it to another tissue paper to add my paprika, which is also optional if you don't want your plantain chips to be spicy. And then I'm going to fry my plantain chips because that's the next step. So if you enjoyed this video guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also follow me on my social media pages on Instagram and Twitter at Modamz Kitchen, and also like my Facebook page as well at Modamz Kitchen on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.